Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer from Edall Academic YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss one of the important family from morphology of flowering plants, class 11th. The family is Leguminosae. From this family, there are three subfamilies are given: CAESALPINOIDEAE, Fabaceae, and Mimosoideae. So already we have discussed Fabaceae and Mimosoideae in order. This is the third subfamily given under Leguminosae family, CAESALPINOIDEae. So this family is given in the NEET 2024 new syllabus. So as per the new syllabus, they are given Leguminosae family only. The Leguminosae family includes, there are three subfamilies. So all the three subfamilies we are discussing one by one. So in this class, let us discuss about CAESALPINOIDEAE family. So this family is given for NEET 2024 examination. Before going to the topic, you try to remember some of the well-known examples for this family. See the pictures. Caesalpinia pulcherrima. So this is one of the plant placed under CAESALPINOIDEAE family. Tamarindus indica is another plant placed under the family CAESALPINOIDEAE. Bauhinia purpurea, Dillonyx regia, Saraga indica, Cassia fistula. These are all some common examples given under this family. So try to remember at least one or two plant species before going to the topic. So when you are remembering, it is easy to recall when we are discussing about the general characters. So let us discuss about taxonomy of Leguminosae family. Try to remember this family belongs to the kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Phanerogames, because of all flowering plants are classified under the subkingdom Phanerogamia. Division Angiospermy. Angiosperm includes dicotyledons and monocotyledons. So this family belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae. Subclass Polypetalae. As of petals are free from one another. So that's why this family is classified under the class Polypetalae. Series Calyciflorae. So most of the plant species have perigynous ovary. Order Rosales, family Leguminosae, subfamily CAESALPINOIDEae. So while you're talking about Leguminosae family, already we have discussed it. Try to remember, this is the second largest family of dicotyledons. Astaceae is the first largest family of dicotyledons. In order, Leguminosae is the second largest family of dicotyledons. Leguminosae is divided into, there are three subfamilies. So you all know, based on certain characters, corolla characters, andesium characters, and other floral parts are taken into account to classify the Leguminosae family into three subfamilies such as Fabaceae, CAESALPINOIDEae, and Mimosoideae. So in this class, we are going to discuss about CAESALPINOIDEae family. So this family includes how many genera? 150 genera. There are 2,800 species are classified under CAESALPINOIDEae subfamily, usually found in tropical and subtropical areas. So mostly these family members grow in the form of trees. Example, Gulmer. Botanical name is Dillonyx regia. Then Amaltas, Cassia fistula, Tamarindus indica, Kachnar, Bauhinia variegata. So these are the some common examples given for plants which are growing in the form of trees. This family is placed under Dicotyledonnae. So all dicotyledons have taproot system. Stem is woody, present above the soil surface, grow in erect manner, stem with branches, cylindrical in shape, solid, that means hard, and leaf is be colline or ramal type of leaves are seen in this family. The leaves with petiole, so it is called as petiolate. Leaves, swollen leaf base, it is called as pulvinous. The mode of arrangement of leaves in alternate manner. Leaves are ending with unipinnately compound. Unipinnately mean no compound leaves. Pinnately compound leaves have there are single main axis. Main axis is bearing leaves. That means leaflets. It's so this is pinnately compound leaf. So here the main axis is ending with single leaf. So this kind of compound leaf is called as unipinnately compound leaf. And in some species, the main axis is ending with two leaves. Example, tamarindus. In tamarindus, it is ending with two leaves. It is called as paripinnate. Unipinnately compound leaves. Unipinnately compound leaves that may be only classified into two types, paripinnate and imparipinnate. So this one is imparipinnate. The main axis is ending with pair of leaves. It is called as paripinnate. Imparipinnate and paripinnate. So here they are given unipinnately because here only one main axis is there. The compound leaf is having single main axis called as unipinnately compound and paripinnate. Reticulate venation. Because of this family classified under dicotyledonnae, so leaves possesses reticulate venation. Here some exceptions are there. Bipinnately compound leaves. Bipinnately compound leaves. Main axis with branches. Branches are bearing leaves. Leaflets. So this kind of compound leaf is called as bipinnately compound leaves, found in Parkinsonia and Gulmer. And pillowed is present in Parkinsonia. This modified compound leaf is called as, that is stalk of the compound leaf is modified into leaf-like structure called as pillowed. Inflorescence. What kind of inflorescence seen in this family? Racemose or panicle type. The mode of arrangement of flowers in acropetal succession. In flowers with stalk called as pedicellate, with bract called as bracteate. Both male and female reproductive parts are present, so it is called as bisexual flower. Flower can cut into two equals at in only one vertical plant called as zygomorphic. Ovary is off inferior, so it is called as perigynous. Pentamerous. Calyx and corolla consist of 5 sepals or 5 petals, and their multiplications are called as pentamerous. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Sepals are free from one another, so it is called as polysepalous. Odd sepal is anterior in position. So one sepal is slightly differ from other 4 sepals. Imbricate aestivation is present, where one sepal is totally inner, one sepal is totally outer. Other 3 sepals overlap one another. One margin is inner, another margin is outer. Such kind of aestivation is called as imbricate aestivation. Corolla consists of 5 petals. The petals also have same like sepals. Petals also free from one another. Aestivation is imbricate aestivation. Ascendingly imbricate. Because of descendingly imbricate seen in Fabaceae family, it is always called as vexillary type of aestivation. Ascendingly imbricate seen in CAESALPINOIDEAE family. Tamarindus indica. The 2 anterior petals are found as scale. Scale means small needle-like. And raceme. The Leguminosae family, mostly 10 stamens are present, may be arranged in 2 whorls, 5 plus 5, like that. Polyandrous. Stamens are free from one another, not united. Usually, 3 posterior stamens are sterile. 7 stamens are fertile. Out of 10 stamens, 3 stamens are sterile, 7 stamens are fertile. So these sterile stamens are commonly called as staminode. Exceptions are given in tamarindus. 7 stamens, all the 7 stamens together form single bundle. It is called as monodalpus, in which 3 staminodes are present. The filaments of stamen fused together form single bundle is called as monodalpus. So in tamarindus, but in remaining plant species, it is polyandrous, free from one another. We are talking about gynoecium with a single carpel, monocarpellary, unilocular with marginal placentation. Almost in all Leguminosae family members have this character. Style is single. So legume, from the family name itself, you can understand Leguminosae family members have legume type of root. Some exception is there. Lamentum type of fruit seen in Tamarindus. Non-endospermic seeds. What do you know about non-endospermic seeds? Seeds do not have that nutritive tissue in liquid form, so that may be stored in the cotyledon itself. So seeds are non-endospermic. Pollination takes place through insects, so it is called as entomopily. So the entire family explained with the help of formula and floral diagram. See the diagrammatic representation. This one is bract. Flowers with bract called as bracteate. Bracteate. The flower can cut into two equals in only one vertical plan. So that's why they are given zygomorphic symbol. The percentage represented as zygomorphic. Can cut into two equals, only one vertical plan. This symbol is given for bisexual. Both androecium and gynoecium. Gynoecium are present in the same flower. Calyx consists of how many sepals? See the calyx. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Well, you are saying these sepals. So this sepal is totally inner. This sepal is totally outer. Remaining 3 sepals overlaps one another. So this kind of estivation is called as imbricate estivation. So your sepals are not united, free from one another. That's why 5 is not given in the bracket. If it is given in the bracket, that is gamosepalous. Without bracket, polysepalous. Same like petals. Petals also 5 in number. Petals are not united. So it is called as polypetalous. Say same like sepals. One petal is totally inner. One sepal is totally outer. The remaining three petals overlaps. So this kind of arrangement is called as imbricate estivation. Both calyx and corolla have imbricate estivation. Same like sepals, petals also not united. So that's why 5 number is given without bracket. Then androecium, that is 5 stamens. 5 stamens are arranged in inner wall. The next 5 stamens are arranged towards outer wall. So totally there are 10 stamens are there. From the 10, 5 stamens are arranged towards outer, 5 stamens are arranged towards inner. Is arranged in 2 walls. Or in some flowers, there are 7 stamens are fertile, 3 stamens are sterile. Sterile stamens are always called as staminode. So here they are not given bracket. That means polyandrous condition. Then gynoecium, ovaries perigyny, mostly perigynous as are superior ovary, unilocular, syncorpus, superior or perigynous ovaries. While you're seeing this diagram, you can able to understand. From this family, we are getting some economically valuable products. Try to remember where some plant species used as food. Example, Bauhinia variegata used as food, as well as some more plant species are given. Try to remember. The floral buds are used as vegetable. Tamarindus indica is also used as food. Leaves and unripe fruits used preparing chutney. Tamarindus indica. That unripe fruits used for preparing chutneys, and some kind of dyes also extracted from these family members from Caesalpinia sapon. It is commonly called as gulal. Red orange dye obtained from the heartwood of Caesalpinia sapon. So this dye used in textile industries. What is the name of the dye? Gulal. The name of the dye is obtained from the plant Caesalpinia sapon. Caesalpinia sapon. So from which part the dye is extracted from the heartwood. Then logwood is commonly called as Hematoxylon campechianum. Hematoxylin stain obtained from heartwood, which is used the staining of nucleus. So when we are seeing cell structure under organelles, there are different stains, different types of stains are used to see the cell organelles in order to find out nucleus. Ultrasex of nucleus is a stain is used. Hematoxylin stain is used. So this stain obtained from the heartwood of Hematoxylon campechianum. In some plant species used in the field of medicines, Cassia fistula. So from this plant, fruits are used as laxative. If you are getting any digestive system related disorders, this is used as laxative. And Cassia sopora, the leaves of this plant used to treat ringworm. Cassia gluca, this from this plant, bark and leaves used in diabetes and gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted bacterial disease. To treat this disease, bark and leaves of Cassia gluca is used. In Sarraga indica, from the bark of Sarraga indica is useful to rectify menstrual cycle related disorder. The field of Ayurvedic medicine, commonly called as Asogar extra, is prepared by its bark. So these are all some valuable plant species. Medicinally, in the field of medicine, we are using to treat some kind of disorders. Then some plant species are used in tanning industries, leather industries. Bauhinia purpurea, the bark of Bauhinia purpurea is used in tanning industries. Bauhinia malabarica, also the bark of Bauhinia malabarica was also used in the field of tanning industries. Then gum, what is the name of the gum? Try to remember the gum name. Gum is obtained from Bauhinia variegata and Bauhinia vaheli. Bauhinia variegata and Bauhinia vaheli. From these two plant species, a kind of gum is obtained. This Bauhinia vaheli is commonly called as camel's foot tree. A kind of gum is obtained from these two plant species. Apart from that, some other benefits also we are getting from this family. The Anjan plant, it is commonly called as Hardwickia binata. Tires and flowers are manufactured by its wood. This is agricultural instrument. To do agricultural practices, people are using tires and flops. Then Panera vaheli, gum is obtained from commercial purpose and bark fibers are useful in making ropes and baskets. So this one already we have discussed. Gum is obtained from, what is the name of the plant? Bauhinia variegata. That is used to prepare baskets, ropes also. So most of the plant species cultivated as ornamental plants. Example, gulmar or royal poinciana is botanical name is Dilonix regia. Yeah, this plant cultivated as ornamental plant. Then Kachnar, Bauhinia variegata. Then Ashok, Sarraga indica, peacock flower, Caesalpinia pulcherrima, Amaltas, Cassia fistula, Jerusalem thorn, Parkinsonia aculeata is commonly called as the Viliati kicker. Viliati kicker. So these are the plants cultivated as ornamental plants. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. So this family is newly added for NEET 2024 examination. So try to listen carefully, learn something from this video. All the best.